What if I told you that you can create unlimited realistic AI voiceovers using ChatGPT, absolutely free, no subscription, no limits? Let me show you exactly how. The first thing is to come to ChatGPT and type in what you want. You can ask ChatGPT to give you a narration, or you can type in your narration. Here you can say I asked ChatGPT to give me a narration, and it will give me 2 minutes narration that has this title, The Little Note, and you can see the story is not that too big. As you can see below there is about 6 icons. You can see there's a volume icon. That volume icon, when you click on it, all the narration plays in terms of audio. All the narration plays in terms of audio, and you can hear the narration. After that, you can also change this audio. I will later show you how to change the audio. There is a female audio, there is male audio, and all other kind of audio, and I will later show you in this video how to download this audio and use them in your video. I will later show you how to download this audio and use them in your video. You just need to click on settings, click on your account. You can see I have a free account, so this is free. Click on your account. After clicking on your account, you click on settings. Click on settings, the third option. Click on settings, the third option. After clicking on settings, you can also see there is something we call voice. There is voice. At the language, there is voice. You see, you can play. There is also a button that says play, and there is also the type of audio you're using. Now you just click there and listen to all this audio and choose which audio you want to use. There is male and female voices here. So let's click on there. Let's choose Soul and click on play Soul voice.
Hey, what's up? Feel free to ask
As you can hear, the voice is good.
I'm ready to go.
And then go back and choose again another voice. Let's give Vale or Val. Click on play the voice.
Hello.
And the voice appears good. All these voices are human and they are monetizable on YouTube. If you want to use them to create your videos, they are good. And then you can see there's Amber or Ember, and just click on play. You listen to it, and then go ahead and click again.
Just let me know.
On our second audio, you can hear how good that audio is. Click on Cove and click on play.
I just want to share how
and you can hear the audio also sound very well.
To get started. So what's the game plan?
Click on Mapo. Click on play. You listen to all these audios and come up with the best according to what you're creating. Even narration, choose a narration audio. If storytelling, choose a storytelling audio. You just listen to them and detect for yourself. Remember, this is free. Flowers, click on play. You listen to it.
What's on your mind?
And then you choose which audio. Click on Breeze. Listen to the audio and see whether the audio is good.
I'm really looking forward to working on some cool stuff together.
And you can hear how that audio sounds well. Click on Juniper, and then listen to the audio and choose the audio you want. Now, according to me, let's go with Sprouse. I think it sounds very well for story narrating.
Hey, how's it going?
Yeah, you can hear it sounds very well for story narrating.
Let's figure out what
and after doing that, you just click on go back. You just go back and start listening to the audio and just click on the volume icon. And after clicking on that, you can hear how the audio sounds. Listen to it.
Heartwarming narration story you can use for voiceover, YouTube, or animation, and it's under 2 minutes.
And now, because you cannot download this audio directly, what you normally do, as you can see, I normally do screen record my phone. If you have an inbuilt screen recorder of your phone, that is the best. If you don't have a screen recorder of your phone, you just use a screen recorder app. As you can see, my phone has a screen recorder inbuilt in it, and that is what I use to record the audio as it is the plays. Make sure you are in a quiet place. If you don't have an inbuilt screen recorder on your phone, you can see there is this AZ screen recorder I have downloaded. It also works very well. Or you can head over to Play Store. You can head over to Play Store and type in screen recorder. Yeah, type in screen recorder there, and then you just use any screen recorder of your choice. Just read the reviews, and if you see it's good, you just use it. But sometimes some of them are subscriptions, but the free plan is enough for you to screen record and all that. You can see this is what I am using, but there is others that you can still use, and they are free to use. Okay, now head over back to our story narration on ChatGPT, and just click on screen record. It is on because I'm recording, and then click on play, the volume icon there, and let it play
Here's a
and
sweet,
record
heartwarming
and
narration
listen to
story
it
you
as
can use
it
for
records
voiceover,
until
YouTube, or
the
animation,
last line
and it's
of
under
where
2
you want,
minutes.
and then
Title,
click on
A
stop,
Little Note.
and then I will later show you how
Every
to
day, 12-year-old Amani
use that
walked past
audio.
the
Okay,
old bakery at the
let's
corner
go.
of her village.
Now, because I don't have the background image for this narration, I'll first of all create a background image. I'll ask ChatGPT to give me the background images, and then I'll just copy the first prompt and head over to Procurement AI and create my image. If you have your own image is right, you can just wait for the next step. If you don't have, just create a background image using any background image generator of your choice. For me, I'm going to use Procurement AI. If you have watched this video so far, remember to like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell. I love you all. Give this video a like. That is the best thing you can give me after watching and teaching you these good things. Okay, head over to Procurement AI, claim your 10 credits daily, and then input your prompt and generate the image of your own choice. Okay, remember I told you, give this video a like so that YouTube can push it to more. The algorithm will test that this video is good, and it will be pushed to more, and more people will know how to create free audios using ChatGPT. Okay, as I have shown you. Okay, so the aspect ratio will be 16:9. If you want by 9:16 is fine, you just choose that and then click on create. As you can see, the first image is good, and it is normal to create very fast. Okay, it's normal to create images very fast, and this is a free plan. I have not subscribed to any subscription in Procurement AI. After that, now you can see our image. Just click on the image and see the image. I said if you have an image, you just proceed or wait for the next step. If you don't have, you create your own image according to your story. After that, you just go back and click on these three icons there, or three dots, and click on download and download them. Now the next step is to combine our screen recorded audio with the image or the video. Whatever you have, you can connect them in this way. So first of all, start with the screen recorded audio. This is mine, and join it there. The first thing you need to trim the edges, because remember you started recording and the audio did not play immediately as after you started recording. So just trim the beginning and listen to where the audio starts, and you cut the part that does not have any audio, because you want something that is smooth. Okay, remember guys, I told you to give this video a like. Right, click on split, and you can just cut that part, and you can hear the audio now is fine. And we want the part that has the audio. I'm using the InShot editor app. You can use CapCut on any other editor app of your choice. And after listening to the audio, you also need to trim the end of the audio, because after you ended the audio, you just took some time to end the screenshots or the screen record. You just click there, click on split, and click on delete and listen to it, and it is fine. The other thing is just click on volume, add the volume to 200, click on denoise on, and extract the audio so that the audio and the video will be separate. You can see now the audio and the video have been separated, and that is very good. Okay, that is what you wanted. After that, click on the audio. After clicking on the audio, click on EQ. You can add the bass, you can reduce the bass, you can add the treble, you can add the vocals, the jazz, everything, so that you can come up with something unique a bit. And I have added my bass. And then after that, you can just click on pip plus, or this is adding an overlay. And adding an overlay, you click on your first image you want to use for that, or your first video. After that, you now need to just play it and see it's fine, it's good. And I have added all my audio. Now the thing I am supposed to do is to stream them, to edit them, to use your fingers to enlarge the image so that the screen record cannot be seen. Okay, use your fingers to do that, and you just listen to what I created. Okay, listen to it.
Every day, 12-year-old Amani walked past the old bakery at the corner of her village. It had been closed for months. But one chilly morning, she noticed something different. A tiny pink note taped to the dusty door. It read, "I miss the smell of bread, M." Curious and smiling, Amani left a reply. "Me too. Maybe we can bring it back. A." The next day, a new note appeared. "How? M." So began a silent friendship. Every morning, Amani and M exchanged notes. They shared dreams, favorite snacks, and even drawings of their imaginary bakery. Amani still didn't know who M was, but each note made her heart feel warm. 1 week later, Amani arrived to find the door open. Inside, the sweet scent of fresh bread danced in the air. An old woman with soft eyes and flour-covered hands smiled at her. "You must be A," she said. "I'm Miriam. I owned this bakery for 40 years. Your notes reminded me why I loved it." Amani helped her that day and every Saturday after. And just like that, 2 hearts, 1 dream, and a few simple notes brought life back to a forgotten place.